Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for spicy oven boiled shrimp. To get started, here I have about 2 pounds of shrimp. I already went ahead and washed them up and add a little seasonings to them. I'll be using some heavy cream, melted butter. I have lemon juice, some spicy sweet mustard. I'll be using some garlic paste. I have Old Bay seasoning, lemon pepper, some red pepper flakes, and parsley. So for this recipe, I wanted the shrimp to remain straight and not curl up. So what I did was place 3 like little slits along where you see that vein at the bottom there. I just placed 3 slits there and it allowed the shrimp to straighten out. And when you cook it, it will not curl up. That's just to be on the safe side. The shrimp probably will not curl up anyway, even if you don't do this because of the way it's being cooked. But I just wanted to be safe, so that's what I did. Then I washed it up really well in some lemon juice and I seasoned with some Old Bay and black pepper. Super simple. You don't want to over season this because we'll be adding a sauce to it. Next, you want to combine all of the other ingredients, mix really well, and set aside. This sauce we're making is going to be absolutely amazing on that shrimp. And if you have like the wild caught shrimp, that's nice and sweet. The sweetness from the shrimp and the tanginess and the savoriness from this sauce complements the shrimp really, really well. You guys will enjoy this. Next, we will place the shrimp into a cast iron skillet as you see me doing here, or you can use a baking dish. I use a skillet because I wanted the shrimp to look fancy, and you know, the skillet goes right into the oven. I don't have to transfer it. So after we place our shrimp into our cast iron skillet, we will add the sauce over top and we'll place this in the oven under the boiler for about 10 to 15 minutes. It doesn't take a long time to cook. 10 to 15 minutes and this is all done. And after about 12 minutes, this is how the shrimp is looking. It smells amazing. I could smell everything. That lemon pepper. I could smell the lemon juice. I could smell the butter, everything. It's just top tier, trust me. I did serve this up with some cheesy grits and it was divine. My whole family enjoyed the meal. This is perfect for a date night dinner or any occasion actually. I really do hope you guys give this recipe a try, and I forgot to mention that if you do not like spicy stuff, you can cut down on the peppers or completely omit it because this is spicy, trust me, and it's delicious. So I hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.